Hello, good morning. How are you, folks? Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my garage. And first of all, how you guys doing? I hope everybody have an amazing day. Today, I just wanna change my own oil. 2014 Toyota Sienna. The oil is the most important. Some people hesitate to change their own oil. It's so easy. It's so fast. You should try to do sometime, and it's not gonna take too much tool to do it. Let's see together. And the most important, good oil is will be make your car last longer, because oil is like a blood of your body. You have a good oil, of course your car gonna run forever. Alright guys, without further ado, thank you for stopping by. This is the list of what you're gonna need. It's only 4 tools, basically the one that the most important. I have another oil wrench. That one can be used too. The glove was optional. After you jack your car, then make sure you lose your oil bolt, that mark to place your car jack. Make sure you use a long wrench handle, then you have a better leverage to open easily. Then just move your pan oil right underneath it to catch all the oil. I'm a little bit have a spill right there because try to make sure the camera capture the oil, but I guess I don't put like real in the middle. Then you see some oil was dripping in the side, but that should be okay because I'm just gonna clean it after this. My garage floor is already coated by epoxy paint. Should be repel the oil that spill. I can just wipe it out and it's not gonna go to the concrete. Now I just need to wait until most of the oil drip down. Now I need to loosen the cap in the top to get the oil flow better, and the oil less and less dripping. I just clean and close the bowl cap for the oil. Now it's my time to replace the oil filter. I'm using the oil filter wrench, which is very easy and convenient. It's made special for Toyota, but it can use for a lot of variety of Toyota, like all Toyota Sienna, Camry, Highlander, or mostly I saw a lot of in the list. Yeah, I got this from the AutoZone. You can see the oil is a little bit dark, but this oil is fully synthetic and extended performance. Is guaranteed for 20,000 miles, but I usually use like 15,000 miles. I already change it, or sometime less than that. Just depend how I feel the car run. And also you have to get the right oil filter. The one that can match the oil filter, the one that I have is 20,000 mile oil filter, then it's matched with my oil. Now I'm using the little bucket to replace the oil filter. The oil filter I got it from Walmart. Its brand is Super Tech, and you just take it out right there. It's so simple. Now I'm going to clean outside the case of the oil filter. Make sure not drip all over the place, because I don't like any oil drip inside my garage. This filter is a little bit different. The housing, you can reuse it, you just need to change the filter. My other car, they have to change the whole thing. That's the code if you need for Toyota Sienna. And so far I've been changing a lot of different car model, and I don't have any problem. I love to do this because now I know exactly what quality part or fluid that I will put inside my car, and because I hope this car will last longer. I don't like to change a new car all the time, because insurance for a new car is expensive. If the car still good, why you should change, right? When you put it, make sure it's lined up and the sticker facing up, because that's how it's supposed to be. You just follow from beginning. The facing plate should have a writing on it. Now is the time to install your oil filter. Make sure you line up. This is to prevent a cross thread that's gonna damage your thread after you put by hand. Then you just will need to tight a little bit with wrench, but make sure you not tight too much, because it's gonna get tighter when you run the engine, and the engine getting hot and cold is getting super tight. I have difficulty from previous my customer car. The oil filter was stuck, like they tied it very strong, or they've been skipping the oil change, either one. But I have a very hard time to remove that oil filter. After all done, then make sure you check if you tight enough your oil drain plug, to make sure everything nice and tight, but don't over tight up everything. Now clean up all the mess from the oil change. Then after that, you can just fill the oil. Hello folks, that's it, the end of it. Right now is the easy part to refill new oil. Just make sure you have funnel to prevent it's gonna go all over the place. We're gonna need 6.4 quart. That means this is 5 quart. I use a mobile one. I'm not sponsored with any of this product that I use. I just use this because I've been using this for a long time and I like the product. Alright, let's open this and we can start filling up. Let me close this first. Always work with safety. Yeah guys, it's so easy, you're gonna surprise. And if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe if you new in the channel or you are being watch my channel. Welcome back, really appreciate your support. Okay, it's very simple, just pour the whole thing, and then you're gonna need 1.6. Total will be 6.4 quart. Yes guys, I've been using this for a long time, and I've been maintaining my car so far. From 2001 I start maintaining my car. It's been like 22 years and I don't have any problem. I used to use a different brand. I use Castrol or Valvoline. Everything good as long you got fully synthetic, has more what they call lubrication for your engine. For long run will be better. If you do it in the shop, that will be cost you a lot, and I just like to do this thing myself because it's so easy. And I usually keep my old jug and pour the used oil over here and just drop to the auto zone. It's free. Okay, let's keep it that way, and later it's easy. If you need more, you just add more, but I rather check first, make sure I don't overfill, because overfill is no good for your engine. Your engine gonna work harder. See, everything has to be perfect. We don't want to fill too much, and this one you don't have to tight too much, because just in case if you need to fill more oil, or sometime because the engine was hot, usually getting tighter and tighter. Alright guys, thank you for watching my video. I appreciate you stay until the end of video. Please comment, share. If you find this video helpful, please give a thumbs up, and don't forget subscribe. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next video.